welcome back to Lori Craves. Today I'm craving something super cheesy, sweet, and what's the last word? Yummy? Chewy. Drum roll please. Cheese baked clams. For someone who doesn't like cheese, I have an awful lot of cheese videos in my channel. Let's get it, let's go! These cheese-baked clams are so addicting and makes the perfect appetizer for any size parties. This recipe only needs 4 simple ingredients. Clams, I have 9 here, 2 tablespoons condensed milk, 2 tablespoons mayo, and lots of cheese. First, let's make the sauce. Add the condensed milk into the mayonnaise and mix 4,523 times until well combined. And our sauce is ready. Now let's prep the clams. We're gonna give the clams a nice little shower under some running water at a very low stream to conserve, because we gotta pay the water bills. There's a lot of random stuff stuck on the shell, especially around the mouth, because the clam is always filtering water, so make sure you really get in there and scrub that off. After cleaning, plop the clams into a bucket of fresh, cold water and let the clams filter for 20 minutes to get all the sand and salt water out. Not shown here because I forgot to press record. After soaking for 20 minutes, put the clams into a pan over a medium-high heat. Add half a cup of water to prevent burning and close the lid to let it cook quickly. For the purpose of the video, I left it wide open to show you what we're looking for and how to tell they're cooked. So once they pop open, they're done. Turn off the fire and quickly remove them from the pan so they don't overcook. We don't want to be chewing clam-flavored bubblegum because when clams are overcooked, they get super chewy. After it's cool, unplug the clams one by one and just pull it right off. Break the shell in half and keep the side without the abductor muscles, which I just pick off and eat. Am I the only one? And cut them up into tiny bite-sized pieces. Mix your sauce into the clams until each piece of clam is completely covered. Line up your empty shells on a baking sheet and divide your saucy clams into the shells. Make it saucier with whatever is left in the bowl, and sprinkle a generous amount of cheese onto each clam. If I could redo this recipe from 5 years ago, I would divide the clam meat into 4 clam shells and pile on that cheese and just devour them all on my own. I first had cheese-baked clams at a Hong Kong style cafe. I don't really remember where, but I do remember it was delicious. The only issue was that there were only like 6 and we had 2 people. So that means we only get 3 each. And when something is that good, I could probably finish all 6 by myself. Pop your clams into the oven at 350 degrees for 5 minutes and watch the magic happen. Once all the cheese has melted, you can take it out of the oven. And voila! Your cheese-baked clams are ready to be devoured. Yum num nums. These clams are sweet, cheesy, creamy, and delicious. What more can you ask for? It's clam season all year round, so you can make this whenever you want. The sauce is so good. Craving satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see, give it a thumbs up. Comment below on something you're craving and maybe I'll make it. Enjoy! Today I'm craving something super sweet, cheesy, and yummy. Vocabulary with Lorraine, sweet. No, just kidding. Hot, 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 ah!